Hi guys and welcome to this video. My name is Ben James and you're going to learn my best traffic sources for affiliate marketing. Um, it's really important that you find the proper traffic source for your particular offer, whatever you're selling online. And I've been online for around about 10, just over 10 years now, marketing, doing all sorts of angles on business for local businesses as well. So I've learned some, good methods to drive some traffic to your website. And I'm just doing a short video today to let you know, um, just give you the opportunity to tap into some of these traffic sources for you. So I just thought I'd give you that today. Um, so right on the outset, you can go paid or you can go free for your traffic. Now, obviously, free traffic for the most part is quite slow, but it works. And free traffic normally involves SEO, where you rank a page on Google, you'll rank videos on YouTube, and other various listings, and that can take some time. You might between as early as 2 or 3 months before you see some real results there, or as early as a month, depending on what you're ranking for. Um, but I certainly take advantage of YouTube. But YouTube at the moment, for me, is a really great avenue of driving traffic. You can target the videos to what you want. You can get on there and talk. So if you're in the weight loss niche, you can get on and make some videos about some weight loss stuff. It doesn't matter what niche you are. There's so many other angles you can come at from YouTube, and obviously YouTube have a paid advertising form, but that's another video. But YouTube's a great form. So if you set up your YouTube channel and set it up in a way that follows your brand or under your name, and start to just make videos regularly. Start to make videos regularly on YouTube. Add some value into what your products are. Talk about what benefits and what value you can add to your potential subscribers out there on YouTube. And over time, YouTube again is this that making videos doesn't cost you anything, but it only costs you time. But you've got to see there's a long-term plan that if you can make 2 or 3 videos a week, and YouTube looks at your channel and sees that you're consistent, you're providing value, you're providing good content, you're adding value to your customers, your subscriber base, you're getting engagements, they will start to bring your videos up in the search results, in the suggested search results as well, depending on the niche that you're in. I'm in the affiliate marketing niche. I'm going to make money online niche, um, financing sort of niche that I move in between mostly. And people say, oh, there's a lot of competition. Yeah, there's a lot of competition, but if you're not out there, you can't be found. And that's my philosophy. You've got to put yourself out there. So I highly recommend YouTube. It's just a platform that's grown and grown and grown. Massive audience there potentially. You can have a video that sits there for 3 or 4 months and it doesn't seem to do anything, and then within a few days or week, YouTube finds a relevancy for it, puts it up and boosts it, and next minute it's got thousands of views. So YouTube's just a sleeping giant. But if you need to be, the key thing with YouTube is to make the videos and target them to what you're targeting at. And again, it's a whole nother video for this. But be consistent. Do one video a week. If you're going to do one video a week, do it at the same time. Here's a little tip: do it at the same time or the same day each week. If you're going to do 2 videos, do it at the same time, roughly, and do it twice a week, midweek or on the weekend. If you're doing 3 videos, do weekend, midweek, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, but roughly stay consistent. You do that for 3 months, you'll find you'll have videos out there. You're going to have links in your description and you're going to get some traffic. Okay, so it's a very good traffic source if you want to go free. If you're not confident on making videos, there are so many. You can go into YouTube now and see how you can make a video online without showing your face. Okay, so for me at the moment, I'm showing my face on the webcam here, but I can switch that off and just have my screen and talk. So you could do something like that. It's quite easy, and there's other options. But go and search for that, and that's for another video I can make one day to show you. The other form of advertising I really like for what I'm doing with affiliate marketing, selling other people's products. online digital products. I like solo ads, and I've been running solo ads for a little while. They seem to yield some good results, but not any solo ad is the right traffic source for you. I work with Udemy a bit, which is a popular online one, which is mainly in the internet marketing niche, affiliate marketing, make money online niche. So what you have here, just for those that are really starting out today and you're not really sure what's what, this is a platform where there are people selling for you to buy traffic from their large list. They have a large mailing list of, say, 20, 30, 50, 100,000 subscribers that are all interested in making money online. They're all interested in affiliate marketing or some sort of similar niche. Um, so you can go in there and so just for example, as we click into this guy here, we can see he's got a great rating. We can see here, you come down here and you can just slide up and see how many visitors you want. That's how many clicks you get to your link. Okay, so um, yeah, and there's a cost down there, and you could add just mobile or a couple other filters there. But basically, you decide what you want to do, and I would suggest around that 200 to 300 clicks. Just do your test at minimum around that for your offer, just to see how that converts, tracks, and all that. And you obviously want to just do some tests for 3 or 4 different sellers on here that have a reasonably good rating. This is how many of the percentage of the ratings of people that buy. So that means 44% of the people from the last calculated from the 100 latest solos they did, 44% got a sale. So that's really good. Nearly half of this guy that sold traffic to people, the last 100 orders, 44% reported making a sale, which you can see down here as you go down and have a look at the got a sale, this guy got a sale, got a sale, got a sale. So, maybe he's one you need to go through and check it out. And all you got to do is sign up here, free account. So this is a paid method. This will cost you $200 or $300 depending on your budget. And you got to test. You got to test different ones and find the ones that work for you. Everyone's got slightly different lists, and depending on your offer. Now, this is more for internet marketing. So if you've got a weight loss, I would not go in here at all, but just more for the internet marketing. So I've used this, had great success with this. My other one too is cheaper. I could just move this over, and it's called Herculist. It's a lot cheaper in the sense of it's got different advertising platforms, but I'm just logged in at the moment. But if you're just starting out, and I remember using this when I first started as affiliate marketer, and I really couldn't believe the results I got in some ways. Um, but basically, in short, if I could just, this website has a lot of ads going on and pop-ups, so it can be, the frustrating thing with this is it can be, a lot of these ads just pop up once you become a member and sign in, all this stuff, you just gotta get around it. But if I go to, yeah, this package here is the, hang on, I think it's this one, maybe. There is all sorts of different packages there and different platforms, but yep, no, this one here. I'll just click into this. I'm pretty sure this is it. So this is the deal you want to go for. No, it's not. So don't listen to me. Now I'll just find the deal. It's normally up on the front page here. But it's a great little run for you to test out your offer, and it's only costs. Sorry about this, folks. I normally find, but if we just go into, I haven't been on here for a little while, but if we go into solo, anyway, I'll come back to that. Maybe what I'll do is I'll post it in the description rather than waste your time. But I very surprised at that. Unless they've taken that offer off there, maybe they've taken it off there. So we'll have a look at these solo specials. Here we go. Here we go. Right. This one here. Okay. So 20 smart list submissions for 13 plus thousand members each time. You get 4 Herculist submissions. Don't worry about the names; they're just the names of what they call it. 86,000 members every time they mail that out. You get 4 of them. 3 Mega Mail, which is 80 odd thousand. 2 free 22,000 proven buyers the submissions. Okay, only $20. Now what happens is you set that up. You put what email ad you got to write up an email. Um, and normally, if you're an affiliate, you can get that information, marketing information, off your affiliate uh, product, and you put that email in there and your link that you want to that's going to get you the sales. Now, if you're using I suggest you use a squeeze page. Again, that's another video. I suggest you use an opt-in page. Um, and if you're not sure about that, I'll make another video about that soon too as well. Um, so, but I have sent offers directly to this. So I've literally got my affiliate link, uh, put it under a tracking link, and sent this off to the guy. So just grab your affiliate link instead of looking at an ugly link. Go to Bitly or TinyURL. I would use Bitly because you can see the actual traffic stats, what you get, and cloak the link in that. Send it, put it in here when you buy on this, and just have a play around with different offers. They're all around the make money online niche. Okay, so if you're an affiliate marketer, I would try this if you're just on a tight budget and you want to try it out. I've had surprisingly a lot of sales come through this just when I've sent a direct link come in, and if you reach out to me under here in the comment section, and I'll leave my details on my Skype and my Facebook page. If you reach out to me there or join me on Facebook, what I'll do is I'll give you, just as a bonus today, I'll give you, because you've watched the video this far, so thank you for staying on. I'll give you a little tip on what product that I found really converts well with this list, affiliate product. Okay, so and you can just give it a go and try it out. So there's a paid option. Okay, you've got that. You've got Udemy, which is a little more expensive, a little more targeted and higher quality traffic, I would call it. But certainly, I've made sales here and I've made sales there, and obviously I'm leading to I have an opt-in page I get, and I collect email addresses and follow up with people, and help train and mentor people in my mailing list. So if that's you today, and you're wanting someone to mentor you, take you by the hand. I know my mentor. Before I found my mentor online, I was struggling around. I was trying different things. I wouldn't be consistent with certain things, but I found a very, very successful mentor. He makes 7 figures a year. It's just incredible, and he's a really great guy to work with. Anytime I got a question, need help with anything, he just tells me what to do, when to do it, and how to go about it. Obviously, he's given me a lot of training as well. So if that's something that's even you're remotely interested in that, but until you find someone that really mentors you, folks, you really just to bumble away by yourself online is a tough gig. You might strike it rich and you might strike it lucky, and you land on the right combination of traffic and what you're promoting. But in the general run, most people need guidance, and what better guidance to have someone that's there where you want to be. You earn 7 figures a year. That's where I'm heading for. And it's just a fantastic training portal that he has set up. I mean, he's covered everything to the nth degree, and anytime I need help, I just get the help I need. So if that's you, just go down and comment and say, that's me, Ben, I need a mentor. And maybe I can just reach out to you in the comment section and tell you who my mentor is. If you're interested, I could put you in touch. Other than that, please comment down there, subscribe and like. I'm going to be putting out a lot more videos over the next few months. I really want to help you guys online. I know what it's like, especially if you're a beginner, you're in that intermediate beginner stage, you're not really having a lot of success. I know the frustrations, I know the setbacks, I know some of that pain. So again, I'll have my Skype details, my Facebook details. You're welcome to comment, but please like and ring the bell so you're notified when I put new videos out. But thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Go and try it out and reach out to me. I want to know how it's worked for you. So thanks, guys. Have a great day.